Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can naturally improve your skin. If you're tired of complicated skincare routines or expensive products, don't worry. There are simple, natural methods to achieve glowing, healthy skin that are easy to incorporate into your daily life. Let's dive in. Number 1. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is one of the easiest ways to keep your skin looking fresh and hydrated. When you're well hydrated, your skin cells function better, leading to a smoother, more radiant appearance. Aim for 8 to 10 glasses of water a day to keep your skin plump and healthy. Number 2. Eat a balanced diet. Your skin reflects what you eat. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins provides essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, E, and zinc, which support skin health. Foods high in antioxidants like berries and spinach can protect your skin from environmental damage and promote a natural glow. Number 3. Use natural oils. Coconut oil, almond oil, and olive oil are excellent for moisturizing the skin. These oils contain fatty acids that can help improve skin elasticity, hydrate, and protect the skin barrier. Apply a small amount after showering to lock in moisture and give your skin a natural shine. Number 4. Get enough sleep. Your body repairs itself when you sleep, and that includes your skin. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to reduce puffiness, dark circles, and promote skin cell regeneration. You'll wake up with fresher, brighter skin. Number 5. Protect your skin from the sun. Sun exposure is one of the main causes of premature aging. Wearing sunscreen every day, even when it's cloudy, is essential for protecting your skin from harmful UV rays. Opt for a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 to keep your skin safe from sun damage. Number 6. Reduce stress. High stress levels can cause breakouts and other skin issues. Practice stress-relieving activities like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing to help maintain clear and healthy skin. Keeping stress in check has a direct positive impact on your skin's appearance. Number 7. Exfoliate regularly. Exfoliation helps remove dead skin cells that can clog pores and make your skin look dull. Use a gentle, natural exfoliant like sugar or oatmeal once or twice a week to reveal smoother, more radiant skin. Over-exfoliating, however, can cause irritation, so make sure not to overdo it. Number 8. Avoid harsh chemicals. Many skincare products contain harsh chemicals that can irritate the skin and strip away its natural oils. Opt for natural, gentle products free from sulfates, parabens, and artificial fragrances. Your skin will thank you for it. So there you have it. These are some simple, natural ways to improve your skin and keep it looking healthy. Remember, the key is consistency. Stick to these habits and over time, you'll see noticeable changes in your skin. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on living a healthier lifestyle. See you next time.